Hello, everybody. It's around 11:30 p.m. in Malaysia, and we have done a live streaming a few hours ago for people that are on my same time zone. For people who are out of my time zone, I'm doing another live streaming now for prayers. There are many people who write in and request me to do prayers for them. So I thought what would be very unique is if we do prayers together. Tonight, you will see at the top pinned the website and the page in which you can download these prayers. You can download these prayers every single day, or you can just save it to your phone and you can open it and you can recite it every single day. We're having some technical issues. Give me a minute. We're having some technical issues. Is everything okay? All right. So we can download the prayers once. We can download it daily, onto a phone, but I think download it once would be best. And we can do these prayers every single day. The blog posts on which these prayers are on will be posted for you. So you can download those prayers. All right? You can see here on my shrine, for everyone's convenience, here is the king of all sages, the Buddha of our time, Buddha Shakyamuni himself on the highest throne. Then the illuminators of the Holy Buddha Dharma is Guru Rinpoche, who removed many obstacles and brought many dharma to Tibet, and also opened the way for many dharma to be brought from Tibet. And later, when many of the teachings were spread all over Tibet, Lama Tsongkhapa here, Buddha Tsongkhapa, Lama Tsongkhapa gathered all of the teachings together and formed them into a lineage that I belong to. And then down there you see Lord Dorje Shugden, who is no other than Manjushri. His Holiness Khyentse Triyang Dorje Chang, His Holiness Khyentse Pabongka Dorje Chang, His Holiness Khyentse Tabu Dorje Chang, His Holiness Khyentse Song Dorje Chang, Khyentse Rinpoche Jessen Jamba Yeshe Rinpoche, Khyentse Rinpoche Jessen Jamba Yeshe, and Ganden Jangse Ki Jolampa Chenpo, the great Bodhisattva, Gyan Nima Rinpoche of Jangse, all have told me Dorje Shugden is Manjushri. So on this shrine you can see Buddha Shakyamuni, Guru Rinpoche, Lama Tsongkhapa, Dorje Shugden, with sensory offerings in the front, sirkim or black tea, and water offerings in the front here. If you can set up offerings like this or similar every day on your shrine to make offerings to the three jewels, that would be very good. Or you do the best you can. On our blog site, tsemrinpoche.com, there's also many beautiful Buddha images that you can download for free for high definition. I have sponsored hundreds of tankas, past and present, and uploaded it, taking pictures and uploaded it for high download, for high definition download, so that many people may be able to print those Buddhas out and have them on their altar for meditation, for prayers, and whatnot. I get a lot of requests from people because they live in places that are very remote, or that don't have a Dharma center, or don't have a teacher nearby, and they're not able to get Dharma items. So I've uploaded many tankas that I have sponsored in the past for people to download. Tankas are brocade paintings of the enlightened beings. Tankas are brocade paintings of enlightened beings. Okay? So, I get many, many requests from people around the world, Tibet, and so forth, to do prayers for many, many reasons. So I decided to compile a very short sadhana for people to do every single day. You can do this sadhana every single day. You do not need initiation. You do not need oral transmission. You do not need permission. You do not need a guru. So you can do these prayers every day. If you do it every day, it takes about 15, 20 minutes, depends on how you recite it, all right? So the prayers that I've compiled for all of you, which you'll see a blog link to, you can download yourself, you can do every single day to invoke the blessings of Manjushri Dorji Shukden. Manjushri Dorji Shukden. So today's prayer, today's puja will be to Manjushri Dorji Shukden to fulfill many people's wishes. All right, before I start, these are some of the many people who have written in. And I'm going to mention some of the names. Some of the names I won't have time to mention. But whoever has written in, I will request Dorji Shukden to help you fulfill your prayers. So I would like you to pray with me. I would like you to recite Dorji Shukden's mantra while I'm doing the prayers. So while I'm doing the prayers, you recite Dorji Shukden's mantra together with me. Remember, in the face of Dorji Shukden, in the face of the Buddhas, we are the same. We are all the same, all right? No one's prayer is stronger than another person's. No one is better than another person's. So in the eyes of the Buddhas, in the eyes of the deities, all of our prayers are the same. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to address some Tibetans from Tibet who are online also in Tibetan. Ane, nga tsem chukuyin, nga rangi drasan kanden shatse yins. Ane nye ki tsawe lama kebje sondo di chang. Ane long sunju hlas ne drotsares kebje doji chang kebje sondo di chang ngala chugyo doji shudin ki sokte da long dan jilab chazan nambares. Ane dedu ne danda badongi chugyo ki ten yores. Chugyo ki ten goya karares chugyo korangi ke chenpo mares. Sungme ki nyamlen ke chenpo mares. Sume ki nyamden karine pendalom inadra gombo chadru inadra gombo sheshi inadra kari ine chunjune. That's all nazo chomden de shakyatu. Yana mene jamgon tsonga ba chenbe. Yana mene lepen rinpoche. Yana mene holo demcho. Dunkor. Doji nejema. Sama duba. Doji jije. 딱 dende tenbina, dende ki lerong debina, dende ki kaje shune, wang long menga de kaje shune, dende ki nyamden ji jubina, dila toba dende ji kegire. Toba kebina, ngazo jitende ta juguro bas. Da kechesho dende idam 탐che den ji ngazo idam ji ngazo ki jewe ki idam ji ngazo ki yabo ji sumbo che. ngazo ji nyamden tenbina, di yabo yore. Da nyamden che yendu, che ki lo jong che yendu. samsang parche 되는 용도 benjo ma tang ba ches naza yu ba che yani mene da parche dra mena nanga dra mena de le yu do nga zo di du parche le yu nga ki sungma chi ten gu du sungma ki de mina parche ki do du gu ba sungma ki te ba che bina da sungma ka de mina so so dra za ki sungma de mina di ge so so ki kamse ki sungma de mina di ge so so ki 파이 기 sungma 되는 디베 소소기 sungma 소소 자외 남기 남겨기 sungma 되는 데는 디레 단 나이나 주긴 도지 쉬된 단다 로마모 댄서 was 이 카리스나 이 캡션 지만 나버 다 sungma 기 땡고에 개천보 말이 시나야 개지 손도 상 군들러나 담자 샷자와 디 sungma 땡이스 다 마시바도마 이 sungma 땡이스 이 sungma 야보지 대바치네 아니 당직 숨네 아니 다리를 강서 다니는지 캐주는지가 담자 샷처럼 이인들 지금 도시는 된 거야 돼. 셰마 된 거야 김수시다 요마와 딱 캐주는지 담자 샷에 캐주는지 군들은 담자 가르 샷이나 나서 이 담자기 야보지 숨고 야보지 숨고 이 담자 야보만 쓰리나 나서 냠된 가래 주비나 냠된 가래 채비나 나서 냠된 죽뚝 말 나서 소소 자외 라면 그냥 소소 차와라메기 담시 여러와 소소 차와라메기 담자 여러와 이기 마체비나 이 마송비나 나서기 냠된 가르체비나 주구말 된다 주구말 산이 주구말 마주베 가리스라 라메기 질람 메나 이람 요말 수마 요말 딱 로마모디 도이슈린 댄서레스 이 캡션 로지샹기 깐나모르바스 아니 나랑기 더더 마무 죽차레 지금 도이슈린 댄에 단다바더 이 마티바 짜마시 된지 지게 중마스 아니 나랑기 잠보리 나마 가까스 기주 마무 열어봤어 기주 가시 투여봐 가시 마투바 되는 기주 마무 열어 다 나랑기 딱 대박 챙기려고 봐. 딱 대박 챙기되네. 가까스 열어봐. 딱 코론솔라 도지슈린기 원조치 이비 공서 도지슈린 땡 이비 공서 되다 야구 주비 열어 단다바도 이 이비 단다바도 도지슈린기 짜마시다 마디베드는 찌에 중마스 지금 야가마도 누가 중요한 딱 예 당기 이슈번낭신 개체쇼디 점된대체 개체쇼디 점된대샤가 아니 장관 남아친구 송나파 장관 남아친구체 레벨을 치체 소소기 기도바 마이나 기도바 이나 케어 말에 우름치세는 러블치세는 산제로 봐 아니 소마이나 소소 대바체 나랑이나 나랑 기주이나 나랑기 다 룩스체비나 주견 도주슈데 제리 주견 도주슈데 인지 토가 나치 Molanke ins di Molanke rocheski mi mabaleyo des di Facebook günü. İnternet, computer günü denizi Molanke rochesta döna mamı yorobasta Molanke rocheski. Lamge mamu dua. So today I'm going to read some names. Number 1, Chandra Bole. She is facing some issues and problems. And I will do prayers for her issues to clear. She should do prayers daily too. Chen Dao Sheng, Xiong Ng, Chu Noel, Chu Bun Chi, Pinaki Duta, Elaine Chia, Cindy Fu, Yat Sin, Beatrice Lau, for Tara Goi Shu Ching, Maya Goi Shi Ru, Jason Boy, Ni Chu, sorry for the pronunciation, and Beatrice herself has requested prayers here. Alright, Elaine Chan, Sam Chan for friend Kevin Prunty, a good career, Dio Pan Fei, Megna Visht also wishes to have prayers here for his family, for his father, for the father, for the family, for the cat Jasper, and so on. Alan Chan, San Fu Hee, Grace Liu, Song Yan, Jeannie Kwek, Pedro Valentin would like prayers that there'll be a resolution for the girlfriend's affairs in Brazil, and she can return to the USA quickly without obstacles. And the separation from the children from 8 years, may that come to a resolution. Now, I'd like to recommend gently to Pedro Valentin to please do Doji Shuten's puja here that I'm going to do today. Every single day, recite the mantra 5 rounds on your mala every single day, strongly, for the resolution to come through. Then you should be getting good news. If everything is in order, you should be getting good news. Alright? Grace Liu, for Liu Nyok Fong, Liu Chong San, they can have effective treatment. Vanessa Tan, Jimmy Tan, may financial situation and become better. Please do Doji Shukden's prayer and puja every single day very strongly. And even after your financial situation is better, continue your practice. Very, very important. Okay, Mei Mei Dan, Pray for the mother Lee Siu Kin and the nephew Lin Si Min. Eva Ng, who wishes that the Guru will have the wishes fulfilled on the 70th birthday and had a pilgrimage to Mount Kailash. Eva Ng, I hope very much your Guru can make it to Mount Kailash for pilgrimage on his 70th birthday. I will definitely pray that will be good, because Mount Kailash is a very holy place. Chloe Yi, Jan Ke, whose mother just had a heart attack and undergoing bypass surgery. Jan Ke, may your mother get well very soon. I will definitely pray for her very soon. Julia Tan, Mindy Yong, Chu Noel, Yo Kelly, to pray for Chen Kun Nam, who has recurrent synovial sarcoma. Antoinette Wangchuk, who's going through difficulties. Wangchuk, may your difficulties be released. Wangchuk La, please pray to Dorje Shugden every single day with the sadhana. Takpa de Shenima Takpa Chugyung Yemolam Gavina, Chugyung Molam Chugyung Diti, Yudu Di, Dordu Di, Molam Gavina, and Tenga Sabina, Yahweh Ure. Beatrice Lau, Marjo Lin Jin, Mip Pauline, sorry about the pronunciation. I will pray for your cat to take good rebirth puck. Lo An Myong, Luke Wayland, please go through the Dorje Shugden category of tsemrinpoche.com. Please read all of those articles in time. There's a lot for you to learn, so you may practice with logic. Hasinda Go for May B. Leong and Tina. Shah's Garment, Puva Neshwadi from Shah's Collections, wishes for luck. Mizel Kua, family health and luck. Yen P. Chong, Chu Noel, again. Oki S. Aspirations, have a peaceful life, successful career, good health, dedicated merits to sentient beings, wish to seek advice what mantra should recite. It would be very good to recite Dorje Shugden's mantra, Oki, every single day, consistently, together with the short sadhana of Dorje Shugden. That will fulfill your wishes. Do this consistently. Judy Chen, may you recover from whatever you're going through. Tan Soon Huat, Chin Wei Ong, Kok Wai Ying, Elaine Chan. Kok Wai Ying requests prayers for May Carly, Elaine Chan, for the mother-in-law's body pains to reduce. May Tara Go Shu Ching, May Guai Shi Ru, and May Guai Ni. The next one is Sana Visa Vadia, Cindy Fuyat Sin, Elaine Chan, Pinaka Duta again, Sanjay Tutok, Xiao Deng Ming, may your manicure business increase. Xiao Deng Ming, very important to recite Dorje Shugden's mantra every single day along with black tea for Xiao Deng Ming. Wu Jun, very good to recite Dorje Shugden's peaceful mantra, the form of Dorje Shugden riding on an elephant for health. Then we have Xiao Ji Wei, Shang Wan Bi, Shang Yin Yang, Chen Ai Shen, Shang Jia Ming, Shang Jia Li, Chen Yong Jia. They wish to have auspiciousness in their lives. Lu Guorong, Chang Jia Bao. They wish to have success in their special wish regarding a child. Please perpetuate Dorje Shugden very strongly. Please pray Lu Guorong. Pray to Dorje Shugden very strongly. Ye Guo Guang, Shong Xiao Juan, Ye Min Lin. Also, prayers for you. Yi De Hua, Huan Mei Shan, Ye Yu Guan. Next one, prayers for Hai Cheng to have success in examination to enter desired school. Recite Dorje Shugden's mantra very, very strongly daily. Ling Shi Yu for business. Then the next one is Rinchen. Rinchen wishes for Kebje Damche Rinchen Jungne's incarnation to come back quickly. Rinchen la Chiranki Tsawa Lama Kebje Damche Rinchen Jungne Rinpoche ki Gomba Zobares Kongki Yangsi Jobo Peba Nye ki Molam Tenden Years Telling a Chugyu Dorje Shugden Molam Kebki is Chiranki Tsawa Lama Kebje Damche Rinchen Jungne Rinpoche ki Yangsi Jobo Peba Show Kukoba Nanshin Dara Nanshin Kuyung Chenpoki Peba Show. Losan Tundrup from China. Losan Tundrup la Kiranki Pingya Tsawing Bere Lega Yabuchi Rawa shows for Losan Tundrup to get good job for his nephew. Dan Christine, Chan Wei Ki, Ka Nun Tio, prayers for the deceased late Han Siu Hong, for the late Han Siu Hong. Jimmy Tan, again, Sui and Chok. For the late Madam Chia Lin Kim to have a good rebirth. Amy Lo, To Cheng Si, Aaron Tak Wa. May his beloved mother, or may Aaron's beloved mother, have a good rebirth. Next one, Cindy Fu Yat Sin. To be free from negative disturbances, do Dorje Shugden's prayer daily, a daily sadhana for Dorje Shugden, and his mantra 5 malas per day, very important. Chua Seong Tat, success in the career. Cusco Ken Lai, Kathy Huang, Debbie Tu, Melinda Yat for the brother. For the mother, aunts Shirley, Lily, Mary, Lisa, Selena, all have excellent health and spiritual awakening. And also for the dog who is very ill. And the dog may take good rebirth in the future as a Dharma practitioner. For Chi Fu Lao, pray for Madam E. Ah Ying. Tan Xiao Ting, Lung Li Hua, may your husband get a good job. Lung Li Hua, please pray to Dorje Shugden very strongly with the mantra and black tea. Julia Tan, Kathy, for brother Cheng Eng Tiong and friend Ambrosine Fraser. Ti Tian Huat, Tio Pang Fei, Kai Chu. Kai Chu, may your career be successful. Also on the side, do charity work, especially related to saving animals. Kai Chu, it's very important that you also do charity work besides a successful career, especially related to animals. Do Doji Shugen's prayer every single day. We will translate this into a language appropriate for you. And then recite the mantra every single day. Recite the mantra every day will be very beneficial. Carly Joseph from Florida. Carly Joseph, for the spirit to detach itself, do wrathful Doji Shugen's mantra. Wrathful Doji Shugen's mantra and prayer to Doji Shuden, a daily sadhana Doji Shuden every day, a daily sadhana to Doji Shuden every day, along with wrathful Doji Shuden mantra that will help you. Helena Chin, Sam Gan, Shang Shi Chung. Stella Chang for May Madam Moon Meeting. Robert Gan for your deceased mother and father. You miss them very much, Robert Gan, I am sure. Do Doji Shugen's mantra for them every single day. Dedicate a part of the merits to them. I will pray for them today. Jamie Lai, dedicating merits and prayers to Lai Moy. And Lee Moy. For Devi, herself and her family. Jasmine Yo, for Angeline Lo Ji Yen. Charlene, for Wei Feng, for the whole family, Daniel, Mike, Joyce, Ying, and Wei Feng. And for the stray, Wolfie. Wei Tang, for her late father, Mei Liu Mok Chang, Mei Terence Das, Kimberly, Wen Yi, Mawan Chakpa from China, Ngawan Traba wishes to invite a Geshe to propagate the Dharma. I will definitely pray that it will be successful. Your wish and your request for prayer is very noble, is very excellent. Ngawan Traba la chiranki Geshe Rinpoche la page denji shuache jinda tuba imbare. Ani di denda jubya gi tanamolam kya gis. Chirang chugyun doji shudin la 통문지 야보 직 난고레스. 둘째. JJ Ding, for the Ding family. Lin Moon. Suk. Chan Wei Ki. Lee Kim Sang. Lim Chung Chuan. Aisley Chia. For Auntie Helen, Dan Xiaoting, Sanjaya from Nepal for prosperity and wisdom, Chin Wei Ong. Please pray for the mother, Madam Tan Li Yuet, and the father, Mr. Ong Leong Fat. Chu Noel, for husband, James, Kim Ho So, Florence Chan, Ho Ling, Melinda Lo Pei, Pek Kok Hong, Tom Lee, Tom Lee, as you request, I hope one day you'll receive Doji Shuden Sokte also. Until then, do a daily sadhana Doji Shuden and mantra daily without a break. Prepare yourself for that. Jason Chow, may you find a good job. Dan Soon Huat, Mien Shuen, Can Lai Fong, Gigi Dugari, the 3 Om mantra that Gigi Dugari is requesting is not something that can be recited openly and without initiation. So that is not able to be done in a public platform. Dr. Yvonne Chang from England, good luck. Dr. Yvonne Chang in England, please download the daily sadhana of Dorje Shugden and recite that daily with mantra. If you do that continuously, over time, you will see many things clear up and many things be auspicious for you. Denny Hermawen from Indonesia. You wish to have enough wealth to help people in Indonesia recognize the practice of Buddha Dharma. That's very noble. From yourself, Denny Hermawen, it's very important to start studying the Lamrim and the various teachings of the Buddha. If you have great knowledge, if you have knowledge and you share it from your heart sincerely, then sponsors, people who wish to help will come naturally. Even if you yourself do not have a lot of money, people will come to sponsor and help if you have the knowledge of Dharma and you share it and give Dharma from your heart sincerely without agenda. So it's important to do this starting now, to study the Dharma, the teachings of Buddha, and it will be good every day to recite the daily sadhana of Dorje Shugden. Recite it carefully and strongly from your heart for this to happen, and keep Dorje Shugden as your Dharma protector very steadfast. Then you will see good results, Denny. Blue Xiao Yung. May her fur kids, New and Boy, have success in the wishes that she's asking for, and the rest of the animals and friends. Lee Moy Wong, Ket Stephen, Hoi Ling, Ashley Tam. It would be good to have your kids recite Manjushri's Kongloma and Manjushri's mantra every single day. Show them by example that you're doing it and do it together with them. Then it'll be very excellent. Pema Jules is wishing for Ketje Gangchen Rinpoche and so forth to have long life and success. I also wish the same. May it be the same for them. Susan Liu, Sanfung He, Jia Chan, Dan K. Cham Dao Sheng, Jonathan Ma, Chong Hin Liu, Mei Wong, Tan Kuo Chen. I will pray for your father who has passed away 2 years ago. Celeste Lau, Mei Tay, Chong Ying Ying. I'll pray for your grandmother, Liu Pin. Sanjay Doji. Sanjay Doji, Chirangi Luki Loptares, Chirangi Pu di Chaki Loptares, and Chirandes Senki Madeva Denji Shanang Drabo Denichi Destua Di Desigudela. Neurology and anxiety. Takpadish Chugin Doji Shudin Gimolan Gabina. Ane Yar Dugre. Sanjay Doji, recite the prayers of Dorje Shugden and mantra every day, and things will be less of a problem for you and your son. Hwarong Nongbu, Chande Golay again. If you cannot do what you're doing from the place where you're at, please change your location. Be a little bit more flexible, if I may gently say so. I will offer your prayers up to Dorji Shugden. Michelle Chen Dao Sheng, Michelle Kong, E. Chia M.W., Sulin Xiao, Ash Ung. Yes, may you, Tenzin, talk about Ash Ung, reach the highest state. Do one Dorji Shugden retreat a year that includes 100,000 mantras. If you have any questions on that, you can consult Pastor David Lai. Amy Mei Chen Liao, Imun, Suk Chu from England, Imun, Longdu, Chashi Rabge, Wang Chuk, Michelle Kong, Alex Tan, prayer for his late mother, Madam Liao Quan Chin. Joey Tan, make very strong prayers for your house to be sold to Dorji Shugden daily with black tea and recite the daily sadhana to Dorji Shugden, then things can move. Lily Tan to pray for Brian Williams. I'll pray for Brian Williams. Gao Wei, I'll pray for Gao Wei's wishes. WTJC Go, I'll do your prayers. All obstacles can be cleared if you push ahead and do a little bit of sacrifice. Then definitely your wish to be stationed in Bentong can come true. Definitely. Ngawan Dorji, Shang Shi Lun, Justin Chia, Yvonne Yappy, Yvonne Yap, Yap Wan Xiong, Tan A Nya. And then Sonam Tsering, I pray you will realize Lamrim in this life also. Debbie Tu, of course I will pray for those students to bless your family. All right? Now, I will start the prayers now. The prayers itself, I will repeat. These are downloadable for free from our website, tsemrinpoche.com. You will see the link available right below the live transmission screen. If you download that every day, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and then recite mantra. What's important about prayer and sadhanas and mantras is to do it every single day consistently. If you do it every day consistently, you build up the energy to fulfill a positive wish. If you do it every day consistently, you build up the energy to fulfill the wish. If we do it sometimes, if we don't do it sometimes, if we do it sometimes, if we don't do it sometimes, then it's very difficult. It's not consistent. We don't build up that energy. Okay? So that's very, very important. Takparesha, Chugyungi, Molam Gabina, Sekim Dan Kansha, Dan Tsenga, Isabina, Takparesha Tempo Chebina, Sosogi Dunda Yaga di Kali Kali, Dukret. Takparesha Chugyungi Kandun, Chugyungi Molam, Chugyungi Kansha, Allah Soba Denjik Sabina, Sonam Ya Sadugre, Sonam Yabo Sabina, Sonam Tone, Sosogi Dunda Dugre. Okay, I will do the prayer to Dorji Shugden study now for everyone. For Chuje Tenzin Bhutia, I will definitely pray for your son, Tenzin Bhutia. Jerry Go, I'll pray for your mother. Elena Umanskaya, from Russia, I'll definitely pray for you. And your friend Natasha Kular from New Jersey. Elena Umanskaya, download Dorji Shugden's prayer and recite the prayer every single day with the mantra. Okay, that's very important. Sonam Rinzin Lepcha from Sikkim, I send my regards to you also. A daily sadhana of Dorje Shugden. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. I take refuge in the Guru, I take refuge in the Buddha, I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge. Through giving and other perfections, to aid all may I become a Buddha. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge. Through giving and other perfections, to aid all may I become a Buddha. In the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, until enlightened, I seek refuge. Through giving and other perfections, to aid all may I become a Buddha. May all sentient beings have happiness and the causes of happiness. May all sentient beings be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all sentient beings never be parted from happiness, free of suffering. May all sentient beings abide in equanimity, free from bias, attachment, and aversion. So within today's daily sadhana of Dorje Shugden, for everybody here who is written in and for everyone else, then we request the blessings of Lord Buddha, Shakyamuni. O Blessed One, Shakyamuni Buddha, precious treasury of compassion, bestower of supreme inner peace, you who love all beings without exception, are the source of happiness and goodness, and you guide us to the liberating path. Your body is a wish-fulfilling jewel, your speech is supreme, purifying nectar, and your mind is refuge for all living beings. With folded hands I turn to you, supreme unchanging friend. I request you from the depths of my heart. Please give me the light of your wisdom to dispel the darkness of my mind and to heal my mental continuum. Please nourish me with your goodness, that I in turn may nourish all beings with an unceasing banquet of delight. Through your compassionate intention, your blessings and virtuous deeds, and my strong wish to rely upon you, may all suffering quickly cease and all happiness and joy be fulfilled, and may holy Dharma flourish forevermore. After prayer to Buddha Shakyamuni, we recite Buddha Shakyamuni's mantra, Om Muni Muni. We can recite it 7 times or more. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. Om Muni Muni, Ma Muni, Shakyamuni Esoha. After reciting Buddha Shakyamuni's mantra, we recite Lama Tsongkhapa's name mantra to invoke the blessings of Lama Tsongkhapa. Lama Tsongkhapa's mantra is especially effective for mental issues such as depression and feeling down. The more of Lama Tsongkhapa's mantra we can recite, the more it counters negative mental dispositions. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. Oma a guru benza dara sumachi kizi sidi hong hong. The next mantra we recite to invoke the blessings is from Guru Padma Sambhava or Guru Rinpoche. Om Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Oma Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Oma Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Oma Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Oma Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Oma Ahom Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hom. Then we have many offerings here. We have now invoked the blessings of Buddha, Shakyamuni, Lama Tsongkhapa, and Guru Rinpoche. After invoking their blessings, we will bless the offerings with this mantra that we're going to make up to the 3 jewels and Dorje Shugden. Om Namo Bhagavate Benza Sawa Pamadane Tathagata Arihate Samyasam Buddhaya Teyata Om Benza Benza Maha Teja Benza Maha Vidya Benza Maha Bodhicitta Benza Maha Bodhi Manto Pasam Kramana, Benza Sawa, Karma Avarana, Vishutana, Benza Soha. So we should think that the offerings are purified. The sensory offerings, the water offerings, the sikkim, the light, and so forth. Then now we invoke the blessings of Lama Dorje Shugden. Priscilla S. Gawat has asked prayers for her son Gerald. Tsurim Gyatso Pugum is asking for prayers. Tsurim Gyatso Pugum. Melinda Yap is asking for prayers. Mother and auntie's brother. Ryan C.S. prayer for the father to get well soon. Imun. Punam V. Manik, pray for the family. Terrence Chow, prayers as he has written here. Mendo Bomanjan, prayers. Now we invoke Dorje Shugden to this place, as it says in the Sadhana. Oma Ahum, Oma Ahum, Oma Ahum. Hum, before myself as a Yidam deity, in the midst of a wind-swept dark red fire, on a terrifying magnificent lion, trampling enemies and obstructors on a lotus and a sun, is our supreme heart-jeweled Dharmapala, mighty Gyalchen Dorje Shugden, adorned with robes of a monk on his body, wearing the golden dome hat on his head, holding razor sword and enemy's heart in his hands, with a manner of delight towards the practitioner and a fierce expression which destroys enemies and obstructors. He is surrounded by an ocean-like host of retinue, such as chief attendant Kachimapo. Raise the life from my heart, invite from the natural sphere and the individual palaces wherever they abide, the wisdom beings who in one instant are invited and become inseparable with the commitment beings. We should think with this invitation, Dorje Shugden has arrived. And there's a beautiful statue of Dorje Shugden here. And we make offerings to Dorje Shugden, who is Manjushri Dorje Shugden, and his whole entourage, who are emanations of himself, who are also highly realized. Home. With devotion, I prostrate with body, speech, and mind and make offerings, both outer and inner, with flowers, incense, and light, perfume, food, and sacred substances. Collections of torma, strong drinks, tea, buttered tsampa, milk, and yogurt, actually arranged and mentally visualized, filling the whole of space. Samaya substances, fulfillment substances, basal substances, mantric substances, outer, inner, and secret, favorite, visual objects, and fragrant smoke offerings. With my offerings of these filling space, O entourage, may you be satisfied and restore degenerated commitments. All of our mistaken actions of body, speech, and mind, which have contradicted the mind of the great Dharmapala, we confess from the heart, quickly purify them, and care for us with compassion like a mother for her child. This heartfelt exhortation of you, Supreme Deity, is to spread and increase victorious Loson's tradition and all traditions of Buddhism, to extend the life and dominion of the glorious gurus, and to increase the study and practice of the communities of Sangha. Never separated from me like a body in its shadow, may you dispel adverse conditions and obstructors without exception, accomplish favorable conditions and desires as I wish, and protect and care for me without ever a break. Especially the time has now come to show directly your unobstructed might and quick, decisive, enlightened conduct of the four activities to swiftly accomplish our deepest heartfelt desires according to our wishes. The time has come to judge the truth in accord with the law of causality. The time has come to clear the innocent of accusations. The time has come to protect the humble who are without a protector. The time has come to nurture Dharma practitioners like your children. In short, from now until attaining the essence of enlightenment, since we venerate you as the embodiment of the Guru and protector, may you protect us uninterruptedly with your enlightened activity and watch over us during the 3 periods of the day and 3 of the night. By making these requests, then we make offerings to Dorje Shugden. Oma Dhamma Pala Maharenza Benza Begam Waruje Benzagola Sabari Wara Agum Panjin Pube Dube Aloke Gende Duvende Shada Padita Soha Oma Dhamma Pala Maharenza Benza Begam Waruje Benzagola Sabari Wara Oma Agum. By just recollecting you for an instant, outer and inner obstructions are dispelled. O powerful 5 families of Gyalchen Shugden, beside the 4 activities. To the Dharmapala and his entourage, I bow down. Then the next prayer that I wish to include, since we have some time today, a daily request for wealth, peace, and protection. A daily request for wealth, peace, and protection. In the heavens, there are myriad manifestations of the divine. All those manifestations specifically show us different aspects of divinity in order to be of benefit to all living beings. All the Rupakaya forms of the divine have compassion, skillful means, and wisdom. We invoke upon them, whether we are happy, sad, down, lost, fulfilled, confused, empty, and during the whole range of emotions we constantly experience due to an untrained mind. Understanding our nature, great wisdom being Dorje Shugden, therefore all the more so, please hold us close to your bosom as an only child to a parent. Though the manifestations of the divine need no offerings and gifts from us, we offer you Supreme Manjushri Dorje Shugden, a libation of tea, incense, and mantras in order to ask you to bless us to be part of our lives, to abide in our dwellings and to give us signs, omens, and portents of both good and bad. Whether the negative arises, quell them immediately. Please increase the positive for my weary and worn mind as I lay my hopes in you. When difficulties, problems, and confusion arise, we ask you, who is but the culmination of all that is powerful, holy, and omniscient, to bless myself, family, loved ones, environment, and even my pets. May I see wisdom, find hope, and be at peace. I request you, O divine Bhagawan Dorje Shugden, who wears a round dome hat and 3 robes of a saffron bhikshu, who wields a sword of liberty, justice, and wisdom, and clutches a wish-fulfilling jewel, who rides on a supreme line of subjugation of all that is negative to fulfill my wishes. I understand my wishes may not be the best, so I surrender to your wisdom for the outcome, though it may not be what I have in mind. Please bless myself and everyone that we may enter into the supreme city of liberation. Great Bhagawan Dorje Shugden, I request you sincerely from my heart to be part of my life, bless my home, and grant me wisdom, solace, and comfort, that I might be of service to others without agenda, and that I might focus out onto others and not be fixated on myself, creating more problems for all that I hold dear. Bless me to become kinder, wiser, and more compassionate, tolerant, and very forgiving to all those who hurt and love me. In order to become close to you, Dorje Shugden, we must surrender the banal. We must abandon fixed views, projections, and rigidity. Lastly, in my final moment when I leave this plane of existence. Lastly, in my final moment when I leave this plane of existence. Lastly, in my final moment when I leave this plane of existence, only the positive actions I have done will matter, as everything and everyone will be left behind. Let me realize this and act upon this now. At this crucial moment, please may I have a vision of yourself, the powerful and merciful Dorje Shugden, to take me to where I may course in the sky to continue my journey of spiritual waxing. I offer you saffron-colored tea and my faith to fulfill my prayers and gain siddhis. By reciting your mantra, may healing, peace, love, long life, protection, and perfect view shunyata arise. By reciting your mantra, may healing, peace, love, long life, protection, and perfect view shunyata arise. By reciting your mantra, may healing, peace, love, long life, protection, and perfect view shunyata arise. Now for all the people who have written in, Mendo Bomajan, safe from black magic, Jigjel Yashi, who has special prayers here, and Carolyn S.L., Amy May Chen Liao, Sempre Super Big, Vince Victor, and so forth. I recite the mantra, may all your wishes come true, who have written it today. By reciting the sacred mantra of Dorje Shugden, may the people who have written in their positive prayers come true. May their positive prayers come true. May their positive prayers come true. Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha, Om Benzer Wiki Bitana Soha. Om Benzer Wiki Pitana Saw, Om Benzer Wiki Pitana Saw, Om Benzer Wiki Pitana Saw, Om Benzer Wiki Pitana Saw. Om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa, om benza wiki bitina sa ha. You can recite the mantra more every day as time permits, or less, up to you. Recite the mantra with concentration, with trust and faith. I dedicate this supreme heartfelt prayer to the all-knowing celestial and supreme protector, Dorji Shugden, that I may quickly become a being of light, compassion, love, and enlightenment. That concludes Dorji Shugden's prayer. At this part, and the next we'll offer sitkim or black tea. Some more requests have come in from Chapjing Tsujim Gyatso Pugum. Ane Tsujim Gyatso la Chirangi Nangmi ki Molam Danda Gyagyus Chiranz Ganga Tse Ringbu Che Naza Meba Che Jashi Punzo Ganga Yuan shows. Ane Soso Lama da soso gomba la shabji yabu shu shambala nema gyabu che. Ane jungna kyaji pabanka doji shanki lamringi nima re la yana mena habda re des loro chena an soso ki chegi yenden ki da yar dugre chegi Sanjay Chomdendiki Cherki Yabo Shembina, Sosoki Kanye de Dunye Karine, Des Nyon Jugres, Nyon Jugurba. Ane, Surin Gatso, Tashi Dele, Lama Pemba Hyomo, and then Eddie Fu requesting for family and education. Chuje Tenzin Bhutia, Chuje Tenzin Bhutia, please name your son Jamyang. Please name your son Jamyang. Jamyang means Manjushri. So I guess your family name would be Bhutia, so the son's name would be Jamyang Bhutia. Jamyang Bhutia. I'll make prayers for your son. Prabal Singh Bangu, pray for your son Kabir. May he be blessed and his work prosper. Prabal Singh Bangu, please pray to Bhagawan in your own way. Recite Bhagawan Dorji Shugden's mantra daily. Om Benza Wiki Bichana Soha. Om Benza Wiki Bichana Soha. Kelly Ng, I wish your mom a happy 60th birthday and prayers and wishes come true. Faith Hill, may your good wishes come true. May your good wishes come true. Tiziano Siasulov, Is requesting prayers for India and Pakistan? Of course. Along with your prayers, I join. May India and Pakistan find a good resolution and no one be hurt any further. Okay? Good. Now we'll do black tea to Dorji Shugden. The black tea is right here. It's already been offered. When we do black tea, we can pour it at each shiloka or each paragraph, or we can leave it there and just recite it. I choose to leave it there and I just recite it without pouring. Okay? Hong. Oma ahom, oma ahom, oma ahong. Hong, O gurus who rain down accumulations of excellence, fulfilling our own and others' purposes, and yidams who bestow all ordinary and supreme attainments. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. All hosts of heroes and dakis of the three places, an ocean of powerful, oath-bound dharma protectors, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Supermundane Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict and swift Dorji Shugden, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Supermundane Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict and swift Dorji Shugden, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. And especially Supreme Supermundane Dharmapala, forcefully powerful, strict and swift Dorji Shugden, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. O five families who unobstructedly bestow infinite activities of peace, increase, power, and wrath, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. O nine beautiful consorts, 8 guiding monks, and 10 fierce attendants, young guardians, and so on, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. Kri, especially principal guardian of the conqueror's teachings, Setrapche, along with entourage to you, this golden drink replete with all one could wish is offered, never waver in your protection. The Dorji Shugden one says 7 times, Setrap says 7 times. We can recite 1, 3, or 7. It's up to us according to time. Next one, O extremely fierce Kachimapo, the strict attendant, execution of those with degenerate samaya, through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. This drink of fully boiling sikkim, are for Tananga Bazin and entourage, accepting and accomplish yogis' intended purpose, as well as the inconceivable emanations and the emanations, attendant deities and demons who shake the 3,000 worlds. Through offering you this ambrosial drink which bestows bliss, may you, having partaken, swiftly and spontaneously accomplish our wishes. Thus, by the force of this offering exhortation, may you grant the activity throughout the 6 time periods, and without wavering, always protect me and care for me like a father for his son. And you hosts of wrathful attendants as well, remember your sworn oaths of promise to Lord Dunzin, and accomplish swiftly now without distraction whatever activities I have requested. So at this time, you can visualize. At this time, you can visualize Dorji Shugden. We have come to the end of our prayers. Dissolves into an orb of light, the size of our thumbnail. Very powerful, very bright, filled with wisdom, compassion, and energy, and healing. And it comes to the crown of our head, dissolves down our central channel, and mixes and melds with our mind. Then at this moment, we take a few seconds and meditate that Dorji Shugden's wisdom mind, Manjushri, Dorji Shugden's wisdom mind, and our mind have become one. Manjushri, Dorji Shugden's wisdom mind, and our mind have become one. Manjushri, Dorji Shugden's wisdom mind, and our minds, and our mind have become one. We'll forgive those who hurt us. We'll be tolerant to those that do things different from us. We will practice generosity. We'll show love to others as well as to ourselves. We'll be forgiving, and we'll let go of projections and expectations. May we live our lives benefiting others, offering others shelter, food, hope, advice, dharma, and whatever we can. May we gain wisdom, the 5 types of wisdom. May we gain bodhicitta and the realization of emptiness, the correct view. May the Dharma arise in our minds strongly and easily. In this life and all lives, may we never be separated from our precious teachers, Lord Buddha's holy path. May we develop higher consciousness, a consciousness that focuses out instead of in. May we always tremendously benefit others, not only in word and prayer, but also in deed. Please think like that very, very strongly. Olive Leong, Jerry Go, Kylie Tan, Len Myung Lee, Jesvin, PB Chong, Tiffany Ong have asked for prayers. Suk Chuk Sok, Sion and Wen Shu from England, asking for prayers. Thank you for your invitation for me to come to England. Thank you. Nini Lo, for prayers for Mom, Madam Chan Siu Chon. Melinda Yap, Dog Lucky may have swift rebirth. Now we'll do a dedication. At the conclusion of any meritorious activity, such as making offerings, prayers, etc., it is essential to dedicate these merits we have accumulated for the benefit of all sentient beings, including ourselves. So the dedication is, precious Supreme Bodhi Mind, may it, where unborn, arise, and where born, never decline, and increase forevermore. May it, where unborn, arise, and where born, never decline, but increase forevermore. That is the precious view, Shunyata. May the precious view, Shunyata, arise. Through this virtue, may I swiftly attain the Guru Buddha state and place each and every being without exception in that state. May all be auspicious day and night. May all be auspicious. May auspiciousness increase both day and night, like the sun rising to its highest in the heavens. 3 jewels of refuge, please bless us. 3 jewels of refuge, please bestow attainments. May there be auspiciousness of the 3 jewels. Lama Doji Shuden, all these people who have requested for prayers, may their wishes come true. One more has come in, Sering Wangmo, Chashi Dele. I will definitely pray for your work and your Dharma to grow. So remember, the prayers that we have done tonight, you can download for free, and you can do the prayer daily with the mantra every single day. What's important is sincerity and consistency. When you do it sincerely and consistently, definitely you will see changes in your life. Dorje Shugden is a good friend. It's also a very highly enlightened being. He's also a protector. He's also someone that we can rely on and trust. He's an angel, he's a guardian, he's an awakened warrior, he's an awakened master. He is Buddha Manjushri. So I implore all of you to recite Dorje Shugden's prayer very, very well, and it will be very beneficial, very, very beneficial. And people from Tibet, thank you very much. Pöne mi kashi yorwadanda di pömi ganga chashi dele shugiyos chugim Dorje Shugden ki ning tabane monang yabokyap kande는 yaboche 아니 공기 챙아 야보지 있어. 캡지 주장도 참 이나 Tsenga dusre. Ombenza wiki vichana soha. Ombenza wiki vichana soha. Ombenza wiki vichana soha. Kepje sondo di changina ombenza wiki bitana soha. Ombenza wiki bitana soha. Ombenza wiki bitana soha. Kepje chujando di changi nanshin tsenga ki sabina kepje sondo di chang luxur sabina keba yomare chikpares. Ta karini mena chugin do shudin ki ding tabane lama de idam ngo yemechi mama yabo gabina teba yabo chena emi shambaki nema gabina an chugin tenden cha roba nangre. Ke chesho kares mi shambaki nema gaboche. Mi shamba soba yabo gon. Mi shambaki nema gabina soba yabo gomina mi shambaki katse roba chetuna roba tsuma chene kea mare roba pa chebina en diksa roba. Dus chebina ane chuging doji shuding mola yaba gabina madiba yung maris. Madiba tsani yung maris. Kyabji chujan doji chan, kyabji papago doji chan, kyabji tabu doji chan, kyabji son doji chan, an dus sungu duas. Ane lama mena sanje yung mare. Lama mena idam yung mare. Lama mena suma yung mare. Lama ki kachin tene soso sang kigre. Lama ki kachin tene soso ki idam ki nyamden druptu gres. Lama ki kachin temina, lama ki kachin tene soso ki suma yobache. Di indu lama zache shures. Lama zache shures. Sheza di indu kepche som chigema nga chigin dochi shuden yabo tengore sungrubas. Di tanda bada nga chigin dochi shuden le yomares. Ma lebe karin sene lama ki kachi drupgrubas, lama ki kachi peyorwa, lama ki kachi drupina ganga yabo yungres. Chigin dochi shuden koran jesun jambeyan ina, jesun jambema ina keba yomare. Kepche som dochi chanki soso tsawa lama, dengen tsawa lama kepche som dochi chanki ka drupina, ane jila da ngodru da chashi da ganga tene yungare. Soso ki lama ki ka drupna keche shore. Ane shen nema gyabache. And dus chebina, ane chugin do yishungi molan gyabina, kanso drubina, kandun chebina, tsengan sabina, kansha sabina, soso denda, denden yabu drupure. Roma? Ane tashi dele. So I wish to say thank you to everyone. Sheshe to everyone. Thank you to everyone. We will do this very soon again. We will do a live transmission, do prayers very soon again. We are going to set a system up, hopefully. Okay? Thank you very much. Janju Senjo Rinpoche, Majapana Chigichi, Chepane Vemevayan, Koni Konu Pewasho, Tony Tonwan Rinpoche, Majapana Chigichi, Chepane Vemevayan, Koni Konu Pewasho, Gewandi Inundated, Lama Sanje Dogune, Draw Chicken Malupa, Dei Salago Bara Show. Thank you.